Get your calendars out. February 17th, February 18th, live trading, San Diego. We got the Lowe's Coronado. I mean, what else would you want? This event is limited to 50 people. Look at your calendar, clear it, make sure you show up. If you want to be a rebel, this is the place to be. You got to sign up for it now. Giddy up, baby.
Bang! It's time for 3 at 3, folks. All right, so I'm going to start off today with CVE. CVE, somebody bought 6,000 of the February 23 calls, and they bought them for cheap with the stock at $20.15. Again, you know me, I don't like buying out of the money calls, so I'm buying at the money, which means I'm buying them at that 20 strike. And I'm going to sell upside calls against it, especially since, as you know, rapid time decay in options of 45 days or less. These are 30 days or less. So that means the acceleration is fast. Those options fall off a cliff. So be aware of that in CVE. Nonetheless, February 23 calls above the market by about $3. Coming back with another right after this. All right, for all of you gamblers out there, well, I got one for you. IGT, International Game Tech. This is one of the biggest stocks in the gaming space. And they get royalties, folks, which means pay every time a slot machine is turned. In other words, the more people pump into those slots, the more they play the electronic poker at the casinos and things, IGT gets paid. It's not just a one-time sale. All right, IGT, they're buying the March 27 calls. This is 2, that's 7. So they're buying the 27 calls. They're buying those calls with the stock at $26.30. So 70 cents above the market. Like that, they paid about $1.29 or so for these calls. That means $129 for every option because everyone's for 100 shares. So bought 10,000 of them. That means a million share equivalent of a $27 stock. It's a $27 million bet. Bang, like that, followed them in that one. I'll be back with the final 3 at 3 right after this. Bang! All right, third and final of today's 3 at 3 is KWEB. So people are still betting on China, and boy, has this one paid off. This is Chinese internet stocks. KWEB, KWEB. So they bought 25,000. That's 2.5 million share equivalent of the March 39 calls. That's with the stock basically just below 36. So that is a very big trade because, again, 2.5 million times $39. I think you get the idea. This is $90+ million potential trade. So those are our 3 today. CVE, IGT, and the last one, KWEB. They were buying March 39 calls, approximately $3 above where that stock or ETF was trading. Bang! It's going to do it for me, folks. I'll see you tomorrow with another 3 at 3, 3 p.m. Eastern Time. Dr. J from MarketRebellion.com.